In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put vacation date on my calendar in new Outlook. By the end, you'll have your time off clearly marked so coworkers see you're unavailable and your calendar reflects the exact days you'll be away. Start by opening a browser and going to outlook.com or office.com, then choose Outlook. Make sure you're using the new Outlook interface. If you see any prompt or toggle for the new experience, switch it on so your screen matches what I'm describing. Once Outlook loads, head to your calendar. Look for the calendar icon on the left sidebar and click it. This takes you into Calendar View, where you can create and manage events. Now create your vacation event. At the top left, click New Event. This opens the event details panel. You'll see fields for the title, date, and time, and other options. Set the date range next. Click the start date, then the end date, and choose the exact days you'll be on vacation. If you're away for multiple days, make sure the end date covers your last day off. If you only need part of a day, leave the times as is and set specific start and end times. If you're off for full days, we'll turn on the all day option in a moment. Mark the event as out of office so others know you're away. Under event type, open the drop-down that lists options like busy, free, and out of office, then select out of office. This makes your availability clear across those dates and helps avoid new meetings being scheduled during that time. Give the event a clear title so it's recognizable at a glance. Something like vacation, out of office works great and keeps your calendar tidy. If your time off lasts full days, turn on all day. This locks the event from midnight to midnight, which keeps the block clean across days and reduces confusion across time zones. If you're only away for part of a day, leave all day off and keep your specific times. You can add a short message in the description area such as "on leave, will respond when I return." This note is useful context for anyone who opens the event. When everything looks right, click Save or Save and Close. Your vacation should now appear across the selected days in your calendar. If you need to adjust anything later, just open the event, update the dates or title, and save again.